Are you facing photo swipe not working on TikTok app and willing to know why and how to fix it? If so, then this video guide will help you to tackle the situation and you can use photo swipe feature on TikTok. So let's begin. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Check internet connection. One of the major reasons behind the error can be due to a poor internet connection. So you should ensure that your internet connection is better. If not, then you can switch to either mobile data if using Wi-Fi. Method 2. Check photo limit. There is a limit to using the photo swipe feature where only 10 photos are allowed to upload. When you try to upload more than 10 pictures, the photo swipe feature may not work. So make sure the limit does not exceed. Method 3. Use a new account. Follow the steps. First, launch TikTok app, open profile. Now, click on username, choose add account, create a new account. Then, click on plus icon, use photo swipe mode. Here, choose your photos and post a slideshow as private. After that, force stop the app. Finally, go to your main account and use the photo swipe feature. Method 4. Delete cache and data of TikTok. Follow the steps. First, open settings on your phone. Now, click on apps and notifications option. Next, choose TikTok app from the list. Then, click on storage and cache. Here, click on the clear cache option. Method 5. Check TikTok server status. Most of the time, when the server is down, then you cannot access the app. So you should find whether the app is facing any downtime. Visit the Down Detector website and see the current status of the app. Method 6. Update TikTok app. Follow the steps. First, open the Google Play Store app on your device. Now, look for the 3 horizontal lines icon. Select Manage Apps and Device. Find TikTok and see for available updates. Finally, click on Update option. Method 7. Use another account and return to main account again. Follow the steps. First, launch TikTok, click on Profile. Now, click on Username, switch to another account. Next, click on plus icon to use photo mode. Here, choose a few photos and post a slideshow as private. After that, force stop the app. Finally, switch to your main account again and then try to use the photo swipe feature. Method 8. Deactivate third-party extensions. If you are using any third-party extensions that can stop you from using the TikTok app, then you should immediately disable those extensions. And then check if photo swipe is working or not. Method 9. Log out and log in TikTok app. If TikTok photo swipe not working Android still occurs, then you can log out from the app once and again log back after some time. This is an effective way to solve the error. Method 10. Reinstall TikTok app. Follow the steps. First, open the home screen and long press the TikTok app. Now, tap on Uninstall. Next, open the Google Play Store and search for the TikTok app. Here, tap on the Install option.